You see, this is exactly what we are saying. Look at the way Oba of Benin was honored. Look at the way Sanwo-Olu, honored Oba of Benin. Imagine, because this king, he doesn't, go out to parties, doesn't move from here and there, meeting with politicians, collecting money around from them. It doesn't do such. Imagine someone who have to leave his office to go and welcome Oba of Benin as he's coming down from his car. And after that, Oba of Benin walk into the office. Sanwo-Olu has to be on, imagine, look at him now. Sanwo-Olu stood up throughout. Sanwo-Olu stood up throughout for Oba of Benin. If it is Yoruba Oba'S, how they are now. How Obasanjo molested all Yoruba Oba'S because, they will call him for money. Obasanjo said, when Oba'S come to me in my room, Oba'S used to lie down for him because of the money they want. Look at how Sanwo-Olu welcome Oba of Benin. But if it is Yoruba king, because the Yoruba king, they've disgraced themselves. Yoruba king, they've molested themselves. Yoruba king, they've degraded themselves. Yoruba king, they don't have a single value. Imagine how they destroy Yoruba tradition because of money. Where they call them, they will be there. Where they don't call them, they will be there. Imagine that. Just turn themselves to something else in Yoruba land. They don't allow people, Anyway, Oba Benin, welcome to Lagos State. I honor you as well because you are the real king we are talking about. You are the real king that don't leave your office and be meeting politicians and be collecting money, going to party every day by day. Oba of Benin, welcome to Lagos. Additional Fatai is welcoming you to Lagos. Sanwo-Olu, thank you for giving honor and respect to Oba of Benin because Oba of Benin don't molest himself. Yoruba Oba'S, you have to adjust. You have to be adjust. Please let governors be honoring you like this. Let all governors be honoring you like this. Governor of Osun State, Adeleke, learn how to honor Yoruba king. Olusegun Aremu Obasanjo, learn how to honor Yoruba kings. Yoruba kings, respect your throne, respect yourself. Don't go to politicians. Don't allow politicians to disrespect you. Maintain your bearing. Thank you.